Hi guys, let me show you guys how to make this creamy mac and cheese. We had a late Thanksgiving, so I'm posting this mac and cheese recipe now. You're gonna start off with the roux, add some butter in a pan and about half a cup of flour. Mix that until it's golden brown. Then you're gonna go in with some heavy cream and 1 can of evaporated milk. Give that a good stir until it's thick. And then you're gonna go in with all your spices. I'm gonna list everything above. Turn off your heat and then add in all your cheeses. I'm adding some Monterey Jack, mild cheddar, and some Gouda. Give everything a mix and pour in some milk. Whisk everything until it's creamy and then pour it over your pasta. I'm using elbows. Once your mac is ready, pour it in a oven-safe dish and then top it off with some cheese. And I garnished it with some cayenne. Bake your mac and cheese at 350 for half an hour, and that's it, guys. Enjoy.